Hi friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Today I like to introduce a two share from penny category. Actually, penny stocks means the share which was traded below 10 rupees. So these two shares are now traded in the range between 6 to 8 rupees. But actually we can't able to include this company in the list of penny stocks because the face value of the two companies I am going to recommend is 1 rupee. They split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees. So actually the rate is 60 to 70 rupees. But anyway, they are now trading below 10 rupees rate after split. So we can consider this as a penny stock. The first company I like to recommend is Trident Limited. It is a textile manufacturing company. It is mainly in the manufacture of terry towels, bedsheet, and they are also entered into the field of chemicals also. It is a very good company, but unfortunately for the last two quarters, they have shown loss in some quarters and reduction in profit in some quarters also. For that reason, and along with the reason of COVID also, the share comes down. It was traded above 60, 80, 90 rupees when it was in the face value of 10 rupees. It was even traded above 1,120 rupees also. But this company is a very good company. The management of the company is very good. So they can show profits in the coming quarters also. It will not disappoint the investors because the management is very strong. So I expect it can give a decent return to those investors who invest now. They can partly we can put money into this share. We can buy, it is ranging between 650 rupees now to 7 rupees. You can buy now. If it comes down, we again buy now. You can accumulate that share. It will easily reach a target of 20 rupees, more than that. And the promoters have 71% stake in the company, and affairs are holding a small stake, near about 2% stake affairs are holding. So they have some confidence in the company. And they have a reserve of 2,523 crores. That is a very important factor. The company had a reserve of 2,523 crores. So, and in recently Motilal Oswal recommended the share, and one of the famous investors in India, Dolly had this share in his portfolio also. So please watch the share. The name of the company I am once more selling Trident Limited. So my next company, the second company I like to introduce and like to recommend is South Indian Bank. It is a famous bank in Kerala. It had more than 870 branches in Kerala, and moreover, when compared to Trident, it shows profit. When compared to last quarter also it shows profit. This quarter also this shows profits. And most of the schools have their account open in South Indian Bank. They are dealing with South Indian Bank in Kerala. So it is a very good share to buy now. It is trading between 7 to 8 rupees. This is the best time to buy that South Indian Bank shares. Then book value of the company is 30 rupees. Now it is traded below the book value of the company. And when compared to Trident, it had a low PE also. When in case of Trident, we can't able to look at the PE ratio now. It's not possible to calculate that PE and EPS. But in case of South Indian Bank, the PE is 10 rupees against the industrial PE of 24 rupees. And there's a recent news that they are going to raise fund near about 1,250 crores. It must be a good news for the investor. So this two share is very cheap now. You can accumulate it slow by slow, and I think the both of the shares can give you not more than double, even more than double. Every shareholder will get. I think so. If all like my recommendation, please subscribe and like and share my video. Thank you.